Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into guest user management on Asana. This is your complete guide for 2025. First, log into your Asana account. You need to be an admin or member of the premium workspace you are inviting guests to. This step is crucial as it provides the necessary administrative permissions for managing guest users. Next up, go to the sidebar and click on Invite. Here, you can input the email addresses of the people you want to invite as guests. Remember, a guest in Asana is someone who does not have an email address associated with your organization's domain. Inviting users helps your team collaborate with clients, vendors, or other external parties without giving them full access to your workspace. The reason we do this is because it helps us maintain control over the workspace while ensuring easy collaboration. Once you've entered the emails, click on the Add as Guest button. This sends an invitation to the specified emails to join your workspace as guest users. Now that we've done that, let's talk about managing these guests. Go to the Admin console, and under Members, you will find a list of all members and guests in your workspace. Here, you can manage permissions, deactivate accounts, or even convert a guest to a full member. This helps us because it gives us full control over the guest users, ensuring they only have access to the information they need. Let me explain why this matters. By properly managing your guest users in Asana, you can maintain a safe and secure workspace. It allows you to collaborate effectively with external parties without compromising on privacy or security. And that's a wrap. You now have the knowledge to perform guest user management on Asana. Remember, it's all about inviting, managing, and maintaining control. Now go forth and manage those guest users like a pro. Thanks for joining us on the channel today. Until the next time.